In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Figma offline the right way so you can keep working even when your internet drops or you need to stay productive without a connection. This is a really useful workflow for designers because Figma does support offline access in certain situations, but you need to set it up correctly before you disconnect. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the most important step is to log in while you still have internet access. Open the Figma desktop app and sign into your account normally while you're online. This is important because Figma needs to verify your account and load your recent files before you go offline. If you wait until after your connection is gone, you may not be able to access what you need right away. Once you're signed in, the next step is to open every file you plan to work on. Don't just open the main project file and assume everything will be ready. Go through and load each target file that you expect to edit offline. If a file has multiple pages, open the specific page you want to use as well. This helps Figma cache the content locally, so it's available when your connection disappears. Take a moment to make sure everything you need is already loaded on screen. If you're working on a design system, open the components you know you'll reference. If you're working on a presentation, open the slides or frames you'll be editing. The more prepared you are while online, the smoother the offline experience will be. Now here's a very important tip. Keep your tabs and files open. Do not close the files you've loaded, and do not quit the Figma application if you want continued access offline. If you close the app or shut down the open project, you may lose access to that file until you reconnect to the internet again. So if you know you're heading into a low connectivity situation, leave everything open and active. That means if you're switching between pages or files, do it before you go offline. Figma can only work with what's already been opened and prepared ahead of time. So think of this as preloading your workspace. The better you preload, the easier it is to keep designing without interruptions. A good habit is to double check your setup before disconnecting. Make sure the app is fully synced, your files are open, and the specific pages you need are visible. Once that's done, you can safely go offline and continue working on the content that has already been loaded into the app. When you reconnect later, Figma will sync your changes back to the cloud, so any edits you made offline can be uploaded once your internet returns. That's why this method is so helpful for travel, unstable Wi-Fi, or working in places where a connection isn't guaranteed. So to recap, log in while online, open all the target files and pages you need, and keep those files open without quitting the app. Follow those 3 steps and you'll be in a much better position to use Figma offline smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple design and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.